Good afternoon, students. I hope you are well. I am also well. I am an assistant headmaster of Alhaj Zafar Bafari High School, Shawar, Dhaka. Today I will discuss how to do affirmative to negative. At first, look at the board. If you see in the affirmative sentence only or alone, it says of only or alone, and if you follow in this sentence there is person, Allah, Rohim, Urim, Joshim, then you will write at the first of the sentence it says of only or alone, number. Similarly, Rohim is also person, that is why you will write number. Rohim can do the sum. Later on, he has only a few toys. My dear friends, what is toys? Toys is thing. If you see thing in the affirmative sentence, you will write sense of only, nothing but. He has nothing but a few toys. My dear students, look at the board again, only 22. This is number, and this number is denotes the age of Dhela. If you see age or number, you will write in this way, not more than oblique less than 22. Dhela is not more than 22 or more than 22. Number one, only Allah can help us. Allah is person. That is why none but Allah can help us. Only Rohim can do the sum. Rohim person, none but Rohim can do the sum. But in this sentence, he has only a few toys. A few toys thing. That is why exchange of only you will write nothing but. Exchange of only. He has nothing but a few toys. This is age 22 or number. That is why exchange of only you will write more than or less than. Dhela was 22. Dhela was not more than 22. I hope you are clear. If you see must in the affirmative sentence, exchange of must, you will write cannot but or cannot help. you write cannot help,
Not to.
you have to add ing. If you write cannot help, you have to add ing with the main verb. You cannot help going to school. In this way, you must read seriously to make a good result. You cannot but read seriously to make a good result. Later on, every mother loves her child. If you see in the affirmative sentence every, exchange of every, you will write there is no. There is no. Then subject or noun. There is no mother, but loves her child. Every mother loves her child. There is no mother but loves her child. Every patriot loves his country more than his life. There is no patriot but loves his country more than his lives. Let's another rules. My dear students, if you see as soon as in the affirmative sentence, exchange of as soon as, you will write no sooner. No sooner had. You know, after have has had, main verb will be if you, means past participle. No sooner had the thief, she saw seen, past participle she saw seen. In the police. Whenever you see no sooner had the thieves seen the police, exchange of comma will be there. My dear students, this sentence is not only affirmative negative but also changing sentence, or changing sentence also completing sentence. If you can understand it clearly, this kind of sentence may be composed in the SSC exam as a completing sentence. So, as soon as the thief saw the police, he ran away. No sooner had the thief seen the police, then he ran away. It is also used as a connector. This sentence is very, very important as a changing sentence, affirmative to negative, completing sentence, and connector also. Naim is the best boy in the class. This is affirmative sentence, that is positive sentence. If you see this kind of sentence, it is called degree level sentence. There are three kinds of degree: positive, comparative, and superlative. Naim is the best boy in the class. This is superlative degree. If you see superlative degree, if you can do it positive, this positive form is in this sentence negative form. So in this sentence you will write at first no other. Naim is the best boy in the class. No other after the later part of degree. This is degree. That is means adjective. Adjective or degree. Form. Later part of degree. No other boy in the class. No other boy in the class. Then you will write verb. Then you will write so or as. Positive form, good, better, best. Good. No other boy in the class is as good as 9. Dhaka is the biggest city in Bangladesh. Now write in this way, no other. Later part of degree, this is degree. Later part, city in Bangladesh. No other city in Bangladesh. What is the verb? Is as big as subject Dhaka. I hope you are clear. Let's go another room. Look at the sentence, my dear students. Emilia is as good as 9. If you see this kind of sentence, as. This is first as and this is second as. If you see first as, exchange of first as, you can write not less. And second as, then. So come to the point. Emilia is not less good than 9. In this way, you can do another sentence. Shower is as big as Carnivorous. Shower is not, similarly, shower is not less big Carnivorous. I hope you are clear. In this way, if you can practice this at home randomly, I hope you will get full mark and you will do better. Besides this, there are some another rules. Rana is a good boy. Rana is good. Good is positive. Positive means plus. If you do it negative, plus into plus equal to minus. Rana is not a bad boy. Rana is a good boy. Rana is not. Not is minus. Exchange of good, bad is minus. Bad is minus. Minus minus is equal to plus. Minus minus is equal to plus. Plus plus. Rana is a good boy. Rana is not a bad boy. He is my friend. He is not my foe. Bangladesh is a small country. Bangladesh is not a big country. In this way, if you practice regularly, I hope you will be clear. If there are any difficulties, ask me and phone me. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you all.